Go. This is 3736 Gold Rush Multi-Sport. Last one in the pack. I only have 3 boxes left. No, not for $5. Alright, Nick 1, Daddy 2, Jaco 2, Chad 4, Robert 2, Nick 1, Nate 2, Chad Bear 2, Chief Keef 2, Eric 4, Nate 4, and Jeff with 1. Alright, 5 times, guys. Mix it on up. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Chief Keef, you're on top. Eric H, you're on the bottom, 5 times there. Okay. Alright, Chief Keef, AFC North, Daddy, AFC South, Eric, AFC East, Chad, AFC West, Nate, NFC North, Mallow, NFC South, Chad, NFC East, Jaco, NFC West, NL East, Jeff Central, Chad West, Daddy, AL East, Chad, AL Central, Nate, AL West, Nick Jew, Atlantic, Eric Metro, Nate Central Pacific, Chief Keef, NBA Atlantic, Nate, NBA Central, Robert Southeast, Chad Northwest, Nick Pacific, Nate Southwest, Eric Golf, Chad Tennis, Eric with Boxing. Oh, okay. No hobby, man. I mean, you guys are ready to roll. Luka Doncic's on fire, man. Jeez. Luka. The dude's an animal. All right, number 1, 822. Here we go. Book it. NBA Southeast for NHL Metro. It's going to be a Floyd Patterson autographed boxing card. That's going to Eric, 1991 boxing. Floyd Patterson boxing, January 4th. 66-8, 40 knockouts. Dude knocked out 40 professionals. Well, I guess, yeah, that's not what I'm being amateurs. I know. 21. That's scary. That is scary. Alright, Floyd. Floyd. That's going to Eric H with boxing. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. 5 times ram.org. Here we go. I got 7 left in the specialty mini, guys. Brand new case. Brand new whip. 3, 4, 5. And Chad. Alright, Chad, there you go, boss. 37-36. Get your spot in the hockey bonus break. 37, 36. 37, 36. Gold Rush Vault. Okay. Alright, very good. Awesome, guys. Good stuff, good stuff. Pretty much done with this spreadsheet now. And we have specialty minis with 6 left. 6 left. Basketball jersey. 16 left, guys. Get the basketball jersey moving. Specialty mini, only 7 left. 6 left. The Chronic has 20. Archives 22. Premium Pack 30. Gold Standard Elements. Elements has been hitting multi. Full size XR baseball jersey. Premium minis have 7 divisions. Select baseball. Whatever you guys want to do. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Be sure to like, subscribe, and join the Facebook group. Links down below in the description.